So Vedika, मोहब्बत क्या है एक सेकंड?
I'm yet to discover it.
Okay, Dream Man.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Importance of respect.
Very important, the most important factor.
One director you would drop everything for, no question.
Shankar sir.
Alright, Allu Arjun या Vijay Deverakonda, who would you pick for a road trip film? Okay, Ranveer Singh या Ranbir Kapoor, better actor called you. Okay, if you have to swap your life with Junior NTR for one day, what will you do?
I would.
Best compliment for Sultan.
He ate and left no crumbs.
Shooting in the mountains या shooting on the beach?
Beach.
एक poet तो आपके अंदर है.
अरे,
वेदिका.
I'm talking to a poet. I have to bring out the poetess
Oh.
in me. Hi everyone, this is Vedika here, and you are watching me on Memorable Conversations with Faridun Sheriar.
Vedika, which song defines the beautiful eyes of Vedika in the best possible manner? तेरी आंखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है? गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी, शराबी ये दिल हो गया. इन आंखों की मस्ती के मस्ताने हजारों हैं. आंखों की गुस्ताखियां माफ हो.
Can I do have to be very humble? If it's a humble response, that will be, what is it? Gulabi
नहीं,
Aakhi,
please
what is
don't be
that?
humble. आपकी
हाँ,
जो तेरी
that
देखी,
one. Okay, if it is a very
शराबी ये दिल. नहीं,
not
आपकी
so modest response, then in आंखों की मस्ती मस्ताने हजारों हैं.
आपको हक है, हर तरीके का हक है, आपकी इतनी
क्या?
खूबसूरत आंखें. Okay, all time favorite dance number.
मेरे हाथों में नौ नौ चूड़ियां. That one.
Okay, Sridevi और माधुरी दीक्षित, better dancer.
Both have really inspired me to become an actress. So I can't choose between the two of them.
Okay, but if you
Okay,
have to, like, if
expression
there's,
wise, they are like
if you have
on
to.
par with each other. Maybe dance wise, maybe Madhuri Dixit ma'am. But I really love Sridevi ma'am's personal style.
Okay,
So I love both of them. Yeah.
okay. So Vedika, मोहब्बत क्या है एक sentence में?
I'm yet to discover it. You know, true love, and still learning, still trying to understand what it is.
Okay, heartbreak.
You will get over it ultimately. Time heals everything.
Okay, dream man.
Dream man, Shah Rukh Khan. I mean, I'm just speaking my mind right now. Uh, yeah, somebody like Shah Rukh Khan. Raj from Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
Okay, and he also compliments you for your swimwear as well.
Yeah, for sure. Open-minded. So in short,
Okay,
Shah Rukh
all right.
Khan, minus the compliments of swimwear part, which I'm, you know, yeah. Anyway, no, I'm sure, but he just needs to glance upon my picture.
Okay, importance of respect in a relationship.
Very important, the most important factor. Yeah,
If you could remake any Bollywood film, which iconic role would you steal?
I would say Chalbaz, Sridevi ma'am in Chalbaz.
Okay, one director you would drop everything for, no questions
Shankar
asked.
sir, Sanjay Leela Bansali sir,
Oh.
Martin Scorsese.
What is the wildest rumor you have heard about yourself that you secretly wished was true?
There was a rumor that I'm like, of course, I was in talks for a Vijay sir's film, which didn't happen. There were two contenders, and that was the news that was like kind of a rumor. I wish that had come true.
Okay, best compliment for Sultan.
Best compliment for Sultan. She ate and left no crumbs. One of them.
What a response.
you.
What an amazing response. Okay, if you had to choose blockbuster hit with terrible acting or a flop with your career best performance.
Blockbuster.
Blockbuster hit.
Let's do
Upon blockbuster
blockbuster.
hit.
Then later, to Hamesha,
Okay.
we can prove our acting and all that.
Which role of yours do you think deserved more hype than it got?
So many, I feel, because I feel I can get better and learn a lot more. When I look back, and now that I use a different process to acting, and my whole expectation from myself has changed a lot, I would say everything that I have done, almost everything, because I know it's just there's miles to go before I sleep. So there's so much more to learn and get better. Yeah.
Okay, if you could swap lives with one South Indian star for a day, who would it be and why?
Rajni sir, I would become him for a day and then I would say, let's cast Vedika.
One advice that you have to give to any actress who may be kissing Imran Hashmi in the next movie.
Oh, he is one of the most amazing people you'll work with. He's super disciplined and he will make you feel very comfortable. So go for it.
Okay, okay. Which industry gossip about you makes you laugh out loud?
Industry gossip, so much. Like, I don't believe
Mhm.
any of it. Whatever I hear, unless I see it, I don't believe it. Because I have been in that. I mean, luckily, not too much gossip has gone around about me because I'm a very secluded person. But I know that there is a lot of stuff that is exaggerated or sometimes even completely false. So, tons of them.
All right. If you had to do a biopic, whose life story would you dare to tackle?
Currently, it's Madhubala ma'am's biopic is in very much in discussion. So hers, yeah, yeah, I would love to because
You've been approached for it.
no,
You've
no,
been
I
approached for it.
haven't. I mean, this is. I hope I
Uh,
get approached for
okay.
it, but I would love to, you know.
uh, Okay. Um, either or. If ये
Mhm.
या वो अगर
Yeah,
आपको एक चूज करना हो, romantic queen या action queen.
romantic queen,
All right. Allu Arjun या Vijay Deverakonda, who would you pick for a road trip film?
Allu Arjun,
Okay. Bold fashion या red carpet. What is your style?
bold on red carpet,
Okay. Shooting in the mountains या shooting on the beach.
beach. Mountains sometimes when you're shooting abroad or on a mountainous sort of in a mountainous region you have to climb a lot. You have to sometimes there is no cable car and you have to go walking up those trails and all, so beach is good. uh it's more comfortable.
Okay. Surprise script twists या predictable happy endings. What is more
Surprise
fun to shoot?
script twists, a unpredictable surprise ending and twist is always fun.
Okay. Ranveer Singh या Ranbir Kapoor better actor according to you?
Both are amazing. Like, truly, I believe that both are like extraordinary. I love Dhurandhar and I love, everybody's work in it. Ranbir was amazing, amazing, like really good. And so
Hmm.
was Akshay
Hmm.
Khanna and everybody else. Yeah.
Okay, true or false? Following statements you just have to mention. Okay. Have you ever forgotten your lines in a crucial emotional scene and just improvised the
No,
whole thing?
I don't remember forgetting. Yeah, because I prep. So I don't think I forget.
Okay. You have accidentally worn the wrong outfit to an event and just played it cool.
No,
Yeah,
no,
true or false?
false. Because plan so much for an event. It's like you are in the public eye, so you're constantly like, what am I gonna wear? What is my hair gonna be? Of course, sometimes you just make do with whatever you have, you know. Uh, and you sometimes get ready very quickly, but you know what you're gonna wear. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. If you have to swap your life for a day with following celebrities, what
Okay.
would you do?
Okay.
Okay. If you have to swap your life with Junior NTR for one day, what would you do?
I would cast Vedika.
In a
No, I'm
film.
just being
Okay.
honest. Yeah, of course. And he's an amazing dancer and he's extremely humble. And
Mm.
I love his work. I love the fact that he can talk in so many languages. And because I love speaking in different languages as well. Like so we I think know almost the same languages. Like he speaks in Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, English, Hindi. I don't know about Marathi, but so I do speak all these languages myself. So and he's a really humble, down to earth person. Yeah.
Okay. If you have to swap for a day with Mahesh Babu, what will you do? You're Mahesh Babu. Apart from casting Vedika.
You're restricting me now. Uh
No, I'm not restricting. You've given one answer. I don't want. Look in yourself in the mirror.
I
He's
would
got
just
amazing
enjoy
skin.
working with Rajmouli sir if I had to swap a day with
Okay.
Mahesh Babu sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just enjoy working with Rajmouli sir, experience it through his eyes. Yeah.
Okay, if you have to swap for a day with Shah Rukh Khan, what will you do?
Marry Vedika.
You like him so much?
I'm just kidding, okay? Just try to be a little fun on this interview. Uh, yeah, come on. I mean, it's the whole world, like from an 18-year-old to, to a 90-year-old. Everybody's in love with Shah Rukh Khan, sir.
You are very interesting. You are very interesting. Okay, if Madhubala was alive and if you have to swap a day with Madhubala, what will you do? You're Madhubala.
Gosh, I would figure how she delivers so many beautiful expressions and how she speaks with just her eyes.
If you had to swap for a day with Rajnikant sir.
What would I do?
No,
I
Rajni
told
sir,
you
you have
earlier
not.
that if I
Wait,
I
I've
could
not asked
I
you.
will become Rajni sir for a day and then I'll cast Vedika. And I've already met him. So, I mean, there's like a connect with Rajni sir because he really made me feel so special and he makes the other person feel like a superstar. And you're not the same person when you meet Rajni sir before you meet him and after you meet him. You are not the same person. He touches your life and he just kind of sprinkles his magical dust, on you, and
वाह
you're
वाह
transformed. You're like touched by his presence. Yeah.
एक पोएट तो आपके अंदर है
Arey,
वेदिका
I'm talking to a poet. So I have to bring out the poetess
ओह
in me. This is your book, you remember? You gave it to me, Dust of Sadness.
माय गॉड
Yeah, and
ओह माय
yes,
गॉड
you
you
wrote like a
thank you so much
nice note also, dear Vedika, etc., etc.,
ओके
etc. Yeah,
थैंक यू
I
वेरी मच
love,
थैंक यू
love this book.
नहीं मैं लेकिन मैं तो आपने आपकी जो वोकैबुलरी है मैं तो उसको कह रहा हूँ दैट इज वेरी वेरी पोएटिक लैंग्वेज
Yeah,
यू
I
यू
mean,
हैव सो एक शायर
maybe
तो आपके
it's
अंदर
like
है
I'm getting inspired by your book because I love your poems and truly you are so gifted. I think a lot of
थैंक यू
people don't know this about you, but you are an amazing, amazing poet. Like probably, reincarnation of some great poet from, I don't know, the.
यू लाइक इन आंखों की मस्ती के मस्ताने हजारों
Yeah, of course. Of course.
एंड दैट इज फ्रॉम उमराव जान
Yes, correct. Rekha Mans.
यू लाइक दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए
Yeah.
ओके सो
You would ask me to sing it now. Okay,
I'm
thank
saying
God.
the poet of these songs, his name is Shahryar.
That's your dad?
Yeah,
Oh my God.
yeah.
That
You said about the
is
reincarnation part. So,
amazing. Oh my God, yes. So you are truly gifted. I mean, oh my God, that's beautiful. I didn't know that.
आप ये समझ लीजिए कि that शाहरुख, आमिर, सलमान, अक्षय, अजय, प्रियंका किसी को नहीं पता. मैंने कभी बताया नहीं किसी को. I never told anyone.
Wow. That's amazing.
No, definitely. Anyway, so Vedika, lovely
Yes.
talking to you. I understand that you have a shoot to
Thank
go to.
you.
Thank you very much.
Same
Lovely
here.
talking to you.
Fab.
It was very
Very
entertaining. Thank you so
entertaining.
much.
And I hope I've been the most unfiltered with you. So it was a lot of fun.
No, no, it was amazing.
Thank
It was
you.
amazing. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Bye.